Today we will show you how to install, set up, and use the Db2 extension from VS Code.
So if you open up Visual Studio Code, on the left here will be the extensions icon. If you click that, search for Db2, and it's called Db2 Connect. Select your operating system and install it. There'll be an install button here. I've already done that. And once it's installed, I would highly suggest to reload Visual Studio Code. And then we will go ahead and set up a connection profile. So to do that, we go to View, Command Palette, and if we type in Db2, we can see all of our commands that the extension gives us. So let's start by managing a connection profile. We will create one and fill in the appropriate details here. And save it when you're done. And that's as easy as it is to set up a connection profile. So let's go ahead and test that that works. Go back to the command palette, Db2, and let's use connect this time. And we will use option 3 to use one of our profiles we just made. Select the profile we just made, and we should get a prompt at the bottom saying it was either successful or not. And it looks like it was successful. Tells us down here too. It's connected to the sample database on Db2-1. That's as easy as it is to connect. And to run queries, you go back to the command palette, Db2, and we have execute query to run SQL statements. And then in the box up here, you can just type out your SQL statements that you want. Standard syntax, wildcards work, and you don't need a terminator. And it's just standard SQL syntax. Hit enter when you're done, and you will get an Excel-like spreadsheet format output on the side here. And that's as easy as it is to use.
Thank you for watching. I'm Justin Sobieski, and this video was brought to you by the IBM Db2 Offering Management Team.